You can resolve almost any software glitch, frozen screen, or connectivity issue on your Hisense Roku TV by following these 4 essential Fix369 methods, ranging from a simple cache clear to a deep system recovery. The first method is a hidden Roku shortcut. Go to your home screen. Grab your remote and quickly press Home button 5 times, Up button 1 time, Rewind button 2 times, Fast forward button 2 times. Once you're done, don't press anything. Your screen might freeze for a few seconds or look a bit weird. That's completely normal. Just wait and your TV will restart by itself and clear the system cache in the background. Now, if your TV is completely unresponsive, then method 2 is for you. First, unplug the TV power cable directly from the wall outlet. Leave it unplugged for at least 5 minutes. While it's unplugged, find the physical power button on the TV. Press and hold that power button for about 30 seconds. This helps drain any leftover power and clears out temporary system glitches. After that, plug the TV back in and turn it on normally. In many cases, the TV starts working right away after this step. But if it still doesn't work, move on to the third method. First, unplug the TV from power. Now find the small reset pinhole button on the back or side of the TV. Use a paperclip or SIM ejector tool to press and hold the reset button. While still holding it, plug the TV back into power. Keep holding the button for about 15 to 30 seconds. Once the Roku recovery screen shows up, you can release the button. From there, connect your TV to Wi-Fi and follow the on-screen steps to repair or reinstall the Roku system software. If nothing else works, you can do a full factory reset and start fresh. But keep in mind, this will erase everything, including your apps, Wi-Fi settings, Roku account, picture settings, and all personal preferences. So only use this as a last option. Now, make sure the TV is powered on. Find the reset button on the back or side of the TV and press and hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds. The TV will restart automatically. After it reboots, you'll see the original Roku setup screen again, just like when it was brand new. By following these 4 Fix369 methods step by step, you can solve most common Hisense Roku TV problems. Thanks for watching till the end.